This 2024 Cruiser RV Avenir A-17BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Turlock, California, 95382 and is offered for sale by Best RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Cruiser RV is 20 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6 and 46 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features Bunkhouse. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.